Oh, hey, what's in your package? What's going on? It's Kat Tran, the Kitchen Kitty, and today we're gonna make it fun, fresh, and delicious with
sesame, ginger, cod, and papillote.
For our ingredients, I have a piece of cod or any whitefish that you like. We're gonna make a marinade. We're gonna drizzle over in a little cooking wine, some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some honey, a little chopped garlic, some ginger, and I'm gonna serve that over a bed of broccollini. I have a little shredded carrot, some red pepper, and then top it with a little cilantro. So today I'm gonna show you a cool technique how to cook your fish in parchment paper to make a delicious package at home that you can cook for someone you love. And you know what? They'll probably open your package too. So let's get started. For our sesame soy marinade, I got about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I put 1 tablespoon of dry sherry or cooking wine. I put a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm just gonna put a little drizzle of honey, just like that. 2-3 cloves of garlic. I got a piece of ginger that I peeled. We're just gonna chop that up and just drop it in. And we're gonna drizzle out of our fish and our veg. Every nice tasty catch needs a good bed to lay on. So we're gonna cut up some broccolini. I'm gonna show you how that's done. We're gonna cook these in the oven with the fish and the sauce, but use whatever veggies you like. But make sure you just cut them small so they cook through. Gonna add a little bell pepper to mine, so just kind of thin slice. I already seeded them. I'm gonna put a little carrot. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Got my fish. I have my veggies I chopped up. I got my marinade, my sauce. So let's get cooking. No pots and pans today. Parchment paper, next to the Reynolds wrap in your local grocery store. I'm gonna get 18 inches out. Take the paper, fold it in half, just like that. We're gonna cook this in the oven in the pouch. So along that fold line, I'm gonna hold it and I'm gonna cut just like a half a moon, like that. Let me show you. So I folded it like that. So we're gonna open it to one side. I'm gonna lay my veggies on one side. Take some of that marinade, just drizzle right there, right on the veggies. Gonna lay that fish right on top. Same thing, pepper. Salt. Drizzle more of that sesame soy marinade right on top. So I'm gonna show you how to wrap this up nice and tight. So you're gonna fold this over just like that. We're gonna go on one corner. It's just easy. They're lined up like that. Just pinch, fold, like that. Fold, but make sure that you got a nice little package for your fish. I popped it on a sheet pan, 400 degrees, about 12 to 14 minutes. So really fast in the oven. Just pop it in, set your timer, and just walk away. Be careful when it's hot out of the oven. Let's see. Perfectly cooked fish. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little cilantro just for some freshness, just like that. Delicious, simple, easy, fast. I serve this out of the parchment. It's kind of like a cool presentation. Rustic, sexy, a little different. Let's give it a shot. Got a little fish, a little veg. Now that's some food porn. The fish is nice and flaky. It's light. You got those great flavors from the soy and the sesame and the ginger all come through. The vegetables are perfectly cooked. Now that's what I call a home run. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you being in my kitchen. My name is Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty. Please like, press that subscribe button, share, and until next time, ciao.